Let's create 3000 by 3000 artboard. First we will create the text. For this use a bold font. Use character tool to style the text to match your design. Select the letters using Selection tool, then go to Object and then click Expand. Now move the text aside and let's work on lines. Create an ellipse with 50 pixel by 50 pixel. Change the fill color to none, stroke to black and stroke thickness to 2. Align it to the center of the artboard. Now create a copy of the ellipse, go to Edit and click Copy, then click Paste in place. Go to Transform and make width and height 2500. Select both shapes. Now go to Object Blend and click Make. Open the Blend tool, change spacing to specified steps and increase the number to 50. Select all the ellipse using Selection tool, then go to Object and then click Expand. Now place the created text in front of the ellipse. Select all using Selection tool. Go to Pathfinder and click on Outline. Zoom into text and select a stroke. Then right-click and ungroup. Click outside. Select a stroke inside the letter and click on Select Similar Objects. Go to Edit, and click on Cut. Then zoom out the artboard, and select All, and delete. Now paste the previously cut object. Now scale up or down the object to your preference. Now select only inside strokes and increase the thickness. Here I go for 25. Make sure you select only the strokes which are inside the letter. Now select outline stroke, and click on select similar objects, then delete them. Select all using selection tool, then go to object and then click expand. With all the text selected, click on some colors which you like to apply to the lines. And make sure to select colors with holding the Shift key. Then go to Files, and Scripts, and then click Randomus. If you cannot find that script, you need to download it. I'll put the link in the description to download the scripts, then click on Fill Swatches. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for more tutorial videos.